So hi, maybe 2 years ago you remembered I did a speed opening, or let's say speed uncut video of how long it does take to open the L trailer. There it was about 7 minutes and 55 seconds for expanding. And if you want to check out, I will blend in this video here. You can click on the old video somewhere here. But today I'm here with the XL trailer. The XL trailer has automated leveling system, so it should be a lot faster, because when you watch the last time video, most of my time went to the manual leveling of the leveling leg. So here it is done automatically. So let's see what kind of time we get. It's a little bit not the perfect comparison, because last time I used to unhook the trailer from my truck, but here it's already unhooked, so plus minus maybe 1 minute for the hooking and unhooking of the trailer. But anyhow, let's start and see what kind of number we get. Again, I will do it on my own, one person, no help. I will use the app function of the leveling system, and let's start the timer in 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, it starts leveling. So it's quite comfortable for me. I can already use the time to open the stairs, for example, not wasting any time. So this one is our demo unit. It has seen quite a lot of use, went to Germany, to Scandinavia, and has been already a lot of kilometers on it. So now the leveling, it tells me it is complete, so I can start the expansion. First start with the roof. A little bit to win some time, just giving the gas struts a little bit assistance. Now repeat that on the other side. The tool safety lock, remove that. And as told before, this is our demo unit. This was the very first XL that we made. The newer ones have some already better latches, better connection, and it goes even a bit more smoothly. Now I can switch back to the app to lower the floors. This was one side. And now I'm switching over to the other side. So I'm going already to walk in, because the lifting of the sidewalls is the last thing I need to do. So let's see if lift this up. Now closing the latches. And again, as this was the first unit, those are much more advanced on our newer production models. So that's it, stop the time. So now we have opened it up, so let's see how much time it takes to pack it back together. So let's start in 3, 2, 1, go. First I remove the roof hatches. Now just grabbing this to lower it. Now I repeat the same thing on the other side. And after this, I can start to raise the floors. This I can do with that on this model. And while I'm doing this, I'm already walking out and starting to close this one side also from the outside. So now this has closed. I can just switch sides and already start to retract the other wall on the other side while I'm already collapsing this side. I fold in those sides. Now closing the roof. And now the roof on the other side. Now the back door. The canopy. The handrails. Safety cable. Now lift up the leveling system. And that's it. Of course, if you're really going for transport it, I would unplug the cable also. So, but you will see somewhere blended in here the time that it took to expand and how much time it took to collapse. So, see you next time.